In this video today, I'm going to share with you exactly how you can create some bestsellers in Etsy and start making your first sales online. I'm going to show you all that coming up next. So welcome back to the video, my friends. If you are new here, my name is Jay, and on this channel I do everything from how-to videos and step-by-step guides, teach you exactly how to create and sell your own digital products and start making a profit online. So if that is something you are interested in, consider subscribing to my channel, and at any time you are getting value from this video, make sure you hit the like button, for that helps this channel out a lot. Now let's jump into our video. So before you even make a design for Etsy, you want to go into some research to make sure that you are making a design that people are actually looking for. One of the difficult things people have as sellers on Etsy is that they're spending a lot of time creating designs, but they're not getting any sales. And it's not because they don't know how to design things or create things, but they may not be designing or creating things people are actually looking for. All right, so the second thing you want to be able to do is actually create those designs your own way. I tell people all the time, do not do copy for copy, because copy will not get you any sales. However, if you can bring more value or maybe a different variation to that design, that is where the money is. So I encourage you, find a way to be inspired by those bestsellers and start putting your own twist and your own flavor into that design so that people can have some type of differentiation and select your product. So the third tip I can give to you is go down to the bestsellers review page and see if people are requesting or asking a question regarding to that particular listing. Usually if people are asking for a different color or maybe requesting a different font size or maybe an image, you can actually provide that person with the answer in your own creation. So checking out the reviews on the bestseller is a great place for you to actually find out how to make your design more valuable to the people who have already purchased a design like that one. And if you want to learn how you can get more reviews on your product listings, check out my video below, because I guide you step by step and how you can get more reviews for your listing. So the last tip I can give to you is create, right? Keep on creating designs. Usually what I find with new sellers is that they put a lot of effort and energy in one product listing, and then they hover over that listing over the course of 2 or 3 weeks, and they get a little discouraged because nothing is happening. Well, guess what? Etsy is a place for you to create a ton of listings, because the more listings you have, the more Etsy real estate you are able to cover. So I want you to create. Don't get discouraged because one listing is not working. You never know what design will be that one that gets you those sales. So keep creating. Use different SEO, test out different mockups, test out different tags, and see what works best for you. These things have worked personally for my store, and I know they will work for you. So that is the end of today's video. If that was any way encouraging, make sure you guys like the video. And if you want to see more things like this of me showing you step by steps and how to grow your Etsy store, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. But as always, my friends, I will see you in the next video.